Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get animated wallpapers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. As you can see here, I'm currently using one. But for this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to make your desktop look cool. But as the title suggests, I'm going to show you how to get it or where to get it. Okay, so first up, the free ones, go ahead over to your Microsoft Store. Right here, open it up. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, all you have to do is just go ahead over to the URL box. Now type in lively wallpaper. Okay, it is available. Just click on it. And then you're going to want to download this one. All right. Click on it. Hit on install. As you can see here in the previews, we have these cool library of animated wallpapers. Okay. The other option is going to Steam, download Steam. If you don't have Steam, go to your favorite browser. Okay, look for Steam installer like so. Hit on enter, click on this one, hit on install, then create your account if you haven't have an account yet. Okay, now once that's installed, again, open up Steam. Then make sure to go to store, and then at the top, in the search bar, type in wallpaper. Alive. This is one. This one is actually free. You're going to want to click on it and hit on add to library. Okay. Once done, you can go ahead and go to your library, look for the app. Okay. And just hit on install. And the third option here, as you can see, I'm using Wallpaper Engine. Okay. This one is around $5. And I'm just going to open it up for you to see. I got these cool wallpapers of mine from here. Okay, they have cool wallpapers as well, like it have time and date. Okay, I'm going to show you my second monitor real quick. Here you go. Here's my second monitor. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it is currently on portrait. Okay, I just stretched it out for you. So this is basically my second monitor, okay? And it's all possible here under a Wallpaper Engine. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.